Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now if you are looking at this face for the very first time, hello, my name is Phalak. I make lifestyle makeup haul videos, basically anything beauty related on this channel. Also I post a lot of unboxing videos, so if you like such content then please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Also the look that I've created today is in association with Faces Canada. The whole look has been created under the LED light. So if you want to enjoy that challenge as well, then you can directly go to my Instagram. The link will be mentioned to my Instagram in the description bar for you all and somewhere on the screen, so you can directly go onto my Instagram and can see how I create this look. So without further blabbering, today I'm going to be showing you my fab bag and what I have got in it. So this is the 5th fab bag out of the 6-month subscription that I have. So this is the second to last fab bag that I have received. So in order to know what exactly is in this month's fab bag, just stay tuned and let's just get into the video. So today I'm going to be talking about the fab bag for the month of March, and it looks something like this. It is priced at ₹599, and if you want to know the further details of how and where you can get your fab bag and the monthly subscription, and for if you want to book the fab bag for various months together, what will be the price of it, then you can check my previous videos. I will be mentioning an I button somewhere on the screen, and the playlist will be in the description bar for you all, so you can directly go on the link and check the the whole detailed video on the fab bag. That playlist will help you a lot in understanding how you can actually buy the fab bag, and it will also help you get various discounts if you want. So yeah, that'll be a help for you. But for now, today we'll be talking about this month's beauty, which looks like this. Now the fab bag is a circular pouch this month with the zip in the center, and it is an amazing bag. It comes with this wristlet, so it is convenient for you to carry if you want to. If you don't mind the logo on it, you can carry it as a pouch if you like. Also it comes with the fab bag logo in the center like all the other pouches. The color is skin nude. I really love this color. If you know me, you know I really love colors like this. So in order to see what is inside it, let's just open it. So let's get started. Inside, the first thing that I see are these 3 coupons, which are the usuals. For example, this coupon that I'm showing you right now contains all the product information, like of the products that are inside the bag this month, so we are not gonna be reading those. The next is this coupon contest card, which is there in every fab bag that we get. The third is the product coupon card, which I'll be reading to you later. So these are the 3 coupons that we receive in this month's fab bag, and these are the first thing that came in my hand when I opened this pouch. So the first product that I see is a makeup product. It is from the brand Seri. It is the flashlight highlighter stick. Now it came with a choice. You could choose the blusher stick or the highlighter. Unicarton looks something like this. Very classy black unicarton with the logo, with the Seri logo on top of. Very neat, very classy. The actual product looks something like this. So as you can see, the highlighter stick is amazing, and once I swatch it on my hand, you'll know what exactly to expect. This is blinding you all. Also, this is a full-size product, and the name of it is Gleam Girl. It came with an expiry of 2023, which means that I have a good playtime. The texture is really nice, and it is buildable and very creamy. It is really nice for those who don't like harsh highlighters. The unicarton also indicates that it is paraben free, and it is enriched with the goodness of red raspberries, which is such a good thing. I am excited as always to be using the new products that I receive in my fab bag. Another product that I have in my hand is again full size. It is from the brand Leroy. It is the premium nail enamel, and it is the Crackle Me Good nail paint. So what it does is when you apply it, it just turns out matte, and it cracks your nail paint and becomes a very good texture on your nail. It is in the color Burgundy Crackle, and the price of this is $2.99 for 8 ml, which is such a good price. Also, there were many colors available, but they sent random colors to everyone. There wasn't a choice in selection. So in order to use it, you have to apply a contrast base polish shade of your choice and let it dry before applying Crackle Me Good. Once the base polish dries, apply a thick layer of Crackle Me Good quickly and watch your nails magically transform into an interesting nail art. Seal the design with the layer of top coat of your choice once the polish dries for the nail art to stay longer. Now this is something really interesting that I've never ever tried before, and I'm looking forward to rocking this on my nails. So the next product that I received is again a full-size product. So this is the third full-size product in this fab bag. It is the Nirvana Walnut Face Scrub. Now I don't use physical exfoliants much. I am more of a chemical exfoliant person, so I'm not too sure if I'd be using it on my face, but for my body, yes. Also, it is priced at ₹250 with the expiry of 24 months. It says that it is a handmade, pure, natural with no sulfate, parabens or silicone, and it refreshes and purifies. Now, it is such a good claim, but for my face, I'm not going to be using that because I am over the phase of a physical exfoliants on my face. But for my body, as I said, I'll be using it for sure. Also, the next product that I have is from the very big Indian brand. It is from the brand The Tribe Concept, and it is their root strengthening and conditioning hair mask. I am like shook receiving this product. It comes with an expiry of 1 year from the date of manufacturing, so it was manufactured in January 2021. So that means I can use it up until January 2022, which is a good time for the product like this. This product has licorice, bringraj, hibiscus leaf and flower, neem, jasmansi, fenugreek, Indian gooseberry and nothing else. And it says it is for strong, smooth and shiny hair, and I have never used anything from this brand, but I sure have heard of this brand, and now I am going to be using it on my hair and telling you all how it worked for me. And last but not the least, we've got this combo from the brand Global Beauty Secrets. It says that experience the goodness of grease. The uni carton, oh my god, is amazing. It looks so classy. I really am a fan of black and gold. As you can see, I'm wearing the combination right now as well. So anything which has the detailing of gold on black has my heart. It screams perfection. It screams classy to me. So yes, that is that. But this is about the uni carton. Let's just talk about the main product. So the first thing that I've got is the Greek face mask and the Greek body moisturizer. I have not used any of these products ever, but this is the only best thing that I love about Fab Bag, that you get to try the products which you've never heard of before. So yes, I'll be trying this for you guys, but before that, let me tell you about what exactly the charcoal face mask does. So what exactly the Greek charcoal face mask does, it is made of activated charcoal, it says. Also, it says it removes excessive oil from the facial pores, removes toxins that can cause acne. That is all for the charcoal face mask. Now the Greek yogurt and lavender body moisturizer, wow, it is such a fancy name. It claims to soothe and moisturizes the skin, protects from sunburn, useful in aromatherapy. So I am going to be trying this for sure, especially this moisturizer, because it says it has aromatherapy. So I'll be using it and will be telling you about my review if you want. So that is all about this month's fab bag. I hope that you enjoy the fab bag unboxing as much as I do. This is my second to last month's fab bag. I'm not too sure if I should continue the subscription. If you want me to continue the subscription, then please leave the comment down below. Also tell me which product did you find the most interesting. I really want to know that as well from you guys. Please check the reviews, the mini reviews that I'll be putting on my Instagram. So in order to know about the reviews, please don't forget to follow me there as well. I will be mentioning my Instagram in the description bar and on the screen, and also all my fab bag videos like the previous videos will be somewhere on the screen, so you must go and definitely check that out. I have the full playlist in the description bar for you guys as well, so you can go and check out every video that I've posted on fab bags till yet. Please tell your friends and your family to subscribe to my channel as well. Please spread a word, and please don't forget to like this video before you go, because a lot of you guys watch my videos but don't like it. Please just do that because it'll give a boost to my channel. And yeah, that is all that I have to say. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. Also press the bell notification next to it so that you get notified every time I post my new video. That is all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.